Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is iOS Pro Hacker, and in this video I'm showing you Vidmack.ai, a web-based AI platform that lets you swap faces in photos and videos, use pre-made movie scene templates, generate AI videos from text, and enhance image and video quality. I'll quickly explain all the features and then I'll do a full demonstration of photo face swap, video face swap, and video templates using only an iPhone browser. No app, no installation, and completely free. What's up guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. Let's get started. Now, I'm on my iPhone right now. I open Safari. Now visit Vidmack.ai. The link is also available in the description of this video. And the website loads perfectly. The layout is responsive, fast, and fully usable on mobile, which is important because everything here runs directly on the browser. Before the demonstration of the video, let me quickly go through everything Vidmack offers. Vidmack includes photos face swap, videos face swap, video face swap templates like movie scenes and viral clips, GIF face swap, AI text to video generator, and other artificial intelligence features. Also, you can check it out on the website. Image upscaler, video enhancer and upscaler, object and watermark remover, and other useful features. You can check it out. It is basically an all-in-one AI media editing website with face swap being the main focus. Now let's start with a photos face swap. I tap on face swap. Now upload the target photo, the photo where the face will be replaced. Next, I upload the face image I want to use. Now, just simply tap on the swap button and the AI starts processing. Now, as you can see, the result looks clean. The face blends naturally with the lighting and skin tone, and the details are preserved. This entire process is done inside Safari on an iPhone. You can also use this website on any other mobile phone. Now let's do a video face swap. Let me show you. You can also upload a video clip, and then after that, Vidmack analyzes the video frame by frame and applies the face consistently. Let me show you something very interesting feature here. It is video face swap templates. Instead of uploading your own video, Vidmack provides ready-made templates including movie scenes, cinematic shots, viral style videos, and so many categories are there. You can check it out. I select a template, upload a face image, and tap generate. Then the AI places the face directly into the scene. No editing timeline, no manual work, just upload and generate. This is perfect for short form content, memes, and creative videos, especially if you're working only from your iPhone. Vidmack also includes an AI text to video generator where you type a prompt and generate a video automatically. On top of that, you get image and video enhancement tools to upscale quality, remove objects, and remove watermarks. So if you're looking for AI face swaps and creative video tools that actually works on iPhone, Vidmack.ai is a solid option. Everything runs in the browser and the main features works exactly as expected. The link is in the description of this video. So basically, Vidmack is completely free, but when you upload so many images and trying to generate so many images and videos, it actually uses a credit system. Some tools are free to try, but video swaps and advanced features use more credits. You usually get some free credits to test everything before you top up. Overall, Vidmack.ai is one of the best web-based AI face swap tools right now, and it works smoothly on iPhone. If you want fun, creative, and real results without an app, this is worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and comment what tool you want me to test next. And if you know any other AI tool, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you later in the next one.